Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is lines and angles. As we have already started the exercise 6.3 and we have completed up to question number 3. So now today we will start with question number 4. In question number 4, the information is given that in figure 6.42 means on the next page, lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that some of the angles are given, and we are supposed to find angle SQT. For that, first of all we are supposed to draw the figure, and two lines are given like this, or and the naming is given PQ, RS, PQ and RS, and they are intersecting at point T, and some of the angles are given. Angle P 95 degree and R is 40 degree, that is 95 degree and that is 40 degree, and that angle is given 75 degrees. So what is given? First of all we have to write angle TPR is given 95 degree. At the same time angle PRT is given 40 degree, and at the same time it is given TSQ. Angle TSQ is also given 75 degrees, and we have to find what we have to find. We have to find angle SQT. Angle SQT means SQT, we have to find this angle. So that solution, in the solution we will consider this triangle. In triangle PRT, angle PRT plus angle TPR plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree, means this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangles. Angle sum property of triangles, we are using that. So this is given that this angle is 95 degree and this angle is 40 degree plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree. So 40 plus 90, 130, 135 degrees. So angle PTR will be equals to minus 135 degrees, and angle PTR will be equals to 45 degrees. So that is 45 degrees. And after that we are supposed to consider the next the second triangle given there, and the second triangle will be second triangle will be, we are supposed to see. Now this angle we got that is 45 degree. So angle QTS will be equals to angle PTR. Why? This angle will be equals to this angle, vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. So angle QTS will be equals to 45 degree as well. So this will also be 45 degrees. So now in this triangle STQ or TSQ, the two angles are known. So we can write in that angle STQ plus angle TSQ plus angle SQT will be equals to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangles. So these two angles are known, that is 45 degrees plus 75 degrees plus angle SQT we have to find, and that will be equals to 180 degrees. So angle SQT will be equals to 180 degree, and that will become minus there, and 75 plus 5 80 plus 40, that is 120 degree, and from here we get angle SQT is equals to 60 degrees is the answer we have to find out, that is TSQ, and we have to find the angle SQT, and we have already found out the angle SQT, that is 60 degree, and that is the answer of this question. So like this you are supposed to proceed the questions. Now in the next question, in figure 6.43 we have to find x and y. So for this question I will explain you how to proceed. The solution you are supposed to do by yourself. First of all, I will draw the diagram for that. In the meantime, I am rubbing the board. You should read the question, that is question number 5. Question number 5, the diagram is given there. The diagram is like that. P, Q, R, S, and here T, and this is like that, and now this is X, this is Y, and this is perpendicular, and this is given 28 degrees, and this is given 65 degrees. Now we have to find x and y. Now I will not write the language of this question. You are supposed to write, first of all you are supposed to write the given, what is given in that question, and then what we have to find out. We have to find out x and y. How to find out, I will tell you in the diagram only. So if this is 90 degree, again we have to read the question. PQ and SR are parallel as well. So these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, so forget this line. So this angle will be equals to that angle, that is 65, that will also be 65. From here we can say that x plus 28 degree is equals to 65 degree, and x you will get 65 degree minus 28 degrees, and x will be equals to, that is 7, and 5 minus 2, that is 3, 37 degrees. That will be 37 degrees. Now in this triangle PSQ means this triangle, this angle is known, and this is 90 degree given in the question. This angle plus y will be equals to 180 degree. Why? Because that is the angle sum property of the triangle. If out of 3 angles, 2 angles are known to us, then we can find out the third angle, and third angle will be find out by using that property only. 90 degree plus 37 degree plus y will be equals to 180 degrees. So from that only we can calculate the value of y. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions of this exercise. First of all, you are supposed to repeat the question number 4, and I hope that you have completed up to question number 3. Then you are supposed to proceed the question number 5. At the same time, one more question is remaining there, so you should try that question as well. And if you are facing any kind of problem, or if you are having any doubt, then you can message us, or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts, or maybe if required we will include your doubt in the next video, and we will try our level best to make you understand how to proceed such type of questions, so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.